Hello everybody! Yes, it has been 3 years since I posted my last video, but I'm back today to show you my room and some upgrades that I'd like to do. Because today I'm going to IKEA, and you know what that means. That means buying furniture that you didn't need in the beginning, buying plants, and buying a lot of shit.
I've gone a little insane since I met you that day.
Hello all, welcome to my humble abode. And over here we have my— wait, what are you doing? No, stop touching that! I know, it's as soft as a cat's bottom, but stop! Stop it! Good. Now, as I was saying, I have way too many IKEA things in my room. Behold, my problem child, in all its glory. Yes, this is a giant shelf that I don't care for anymore, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Well, there you have it, my bedroom. Let's get started. We're gonna head to IKEA first. We are here, IKEA, and it is cold out. I need one hanger and one shelving unit. Ooh, it smells so good in here. My jacket's not in here. It's gone. You found my jacket? That's not my jacket, that's a child's jacket. Oh my god. Well, yeah, no kidding. I mean, people steal those jackets, right? Best section ever. Except everything costs way too much. We emerged alive. We got candles and textiles. Lots of them. And a pillow. I could not resist.
Lots of useless stuff.
And we have arrived. Hopefully I find an accent chair that fits in my car. It's very tiny. It's a Fiat. Okay, I got a little sidetracked in the shoe section, but I just found a really nice pair of shoes. I decided to check it out because I'm always looking for a certain type of shoe. Okay, this is my first time vlogging in public, and it is as scary as they say it is. I've possibly gone on a busier day. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys some things that I picked up. So I was actually thinking about the design where people have these sort of large crates in their room, and they put their shoes on it. So this is one of the things. And then I also picked up a ton of baskets because I wasn't sure which one I liked most. And I might end up spray painting them, but I kind of liked the color of this one. And then the style of this one was really unique, and it feels pretty sturdy. It has like these bars here. Really nice. For the floor of my room, I really liked this one because it's nice and soft. And then lastly, this one is a nice tray. The only thing is, it's a little broken, so it wouldn't really be able to support anything. Or I could try fixing it as well. We found a beautiful case, and it is near perfect condition on the inside for $9. And I found this as well, and it reminded me of something the Sorry Girls had done. Okay, so I have so much stuff in my cart that literally people think I work here.
You can't control my mood, no, on my soul. Get your hand off of me. Wanna rest my bones when I am free.
I'm ready to purchase all this stuff. I have so much stuff. I don't think I've ever bought this much decor or boxes and baskets in one go. So we'll see how much it tallies up to be, but I'm really scared. It's gonna be a lot of money. Oh, that's the good stuff. Canada. This is the part of the video you've all been waiting for. I mean, who doesn't love a good thrift haul, IKEA haul, you know? I have a lot of stuff sitting beside me. So, let's get into it. The first place I went to was IKEA. And I ended up picking up this beautiful fuzzy, very fuzzy, and it sheds everywhere. The next thing I got was something that I thought I could put on top of... I am so excited about this. I got this pillow cover and it is so soft. Ah! So nice. The other side is velvet. But I got this and I got a very fluffy pillow to put it in. Next up, I went to the thrift store and I found a lot of stuff for only $60 something, and I thought it was gonna come to like 100, and you'll see why. It's heavy. This is supposed to be a wine rack, but I'm going to put my plants on it, or my shoes, depending on how the room turns out. Another idea that I was thinking about was stacking a bunch of suitcases. I got this for $9.99. I want to stack a bunch of these. This one is really beautiful. I also got this beautiful box, and despite the fact that it's made in China, it was 99 cents at the Liquidation World, but I got it for 49 cents. So, look at that steal. Beautiful green velvet on the inside as well. This could be a really nice option to put jewelry in loosely. Probably not now because I already have a jewelry divider, but when I move out, it's gonna get some action. Next up, because I've always wanted a gallery wall in my bedroom, I thought it would be a great time to invest in some frames. So I bought 3 of them. I could not pass this up. This was, I hope they gave it to me for $2.99. There's 2 tags on it. Anyway, this is beautiful. I am completely obsessed with ancient Egypt. I'm so happy I found this piece. It's going up on the wall too. Yes, there's more. I got this beautiful vase, which reminded me also of ancient Egypt. Next up, for old things on the list, I got this mini globe, because why not? And again, I just wanted my room to look like I traveled the world, which I have not. So I got this little beauty for $1.99. Now, this is something that I wasn't really sure where to put, but I knew that I wanted it because I've never seen anything like this before. But I was particularly thinking that this would look nice in my bathroom, and having, like, I don't know, your toothbrush stand here, hand wash, something else. Yeah, it's just so pretty. And it was also $2.99. something I've been wanting to do for a while. I really want to hang plants from my ceiling, and I thought this was the perfect opportunity to do that. I'm kind of into the color, but I think to match everything else, I'm going to have to spray paint it a bit more bronzy, a darker bronze. And I might also make some macrame to hang up my other plants because I know you've seen my room earlier. It has a lot of plants, and since that video, I think I added another plant because I forgot it in my office. So I need my plants close to me. Hence hanging them from the ceiling where I can see them every day. I also got these, and I just really liked the color of the glass because you don't really see that anywhere. It's kind of like a yellowy amber, and it's just really unique. So I'm gonna put little tea lights in those. Secondly, yes, I got another candle item. I found these to be really interesting. That was $2.99. And lastly, the basket that I told you about, and that was $3.99. And yes, it is crumbling in certain places. Well, let's be honest, it's crumbling everywhere. I'm going to try and spray this with a protective coat, and I don't know, I couldn't pass it up. It's just nice. It's nice and soft, and it brings through those vibes that I wanted to have in my room. Cozy, warm colors. So yeah. Lastly, I got a couple things that are mainly meant for extra decor. So when I make my macrame, I might use this one or this other twine that I have. But I thought this was just a good thing to have around the house because I use a lot of this stuff. And then these are another thing that are really handy to have. And they're just hooks. They're just meant to put your shower curtain through, I believe, and hang, or I don't know, maybe just a regular curtain. But anyway, I really like these. They're just simple, and I was also thinking that they'd be good for some Christmas decorations. So that is my haul. Now, keep posted to see how I use these things in my old world boho inspired room. Oh boy, it's hot in here. Since I couldn't find what I was looking for at IKEA or at the thrift stores, I decided to look on Kijiji for either a bench or a shelf that I could use, and I actually found this one that was the Kallax that I couldn't find at IKEA.
better slow down. Check it. Chillin' with the pina colada. Come and have a good time. Chillin' with the pina colada. Come and have a good time. Check it. Chillin' with the pina colada. Better slow down. Chillin' with the pina colada. Come and have a good time. Better slow down. Check it. Chillin' with the pina colada. Check it.
At this point, the shedding was just too much, so I decided to return this one. It's shedding everywhere!
Already?
Hey guys, so after a long day of moving furniture and stuff, let me show you what it looks like. Now, it's not complete because I still have a few decor items that we're going to make over and upgrade. But until then, this is what my room is going to look like. So I hope you liked this first video of my room makeover. It is not the last. I'm not leaving it like this. Anyway, stay tuned for the next video, which is where I am going to redo some of the things that need to be done that are going to be going in this room. See you later, and give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Bye! Let's not do this below the fan.
Yeah, come right here. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Okay. All right.